Here we go, folks. Thursday morning, last trading day of the week. Markets are closed tomorrow in observation of the Christmas holiday. Heading into the morning open, we're seeing the futures into green. That would make, or at least set up, the third straight day of gains. We're within a whisper of record highs after the rallies we've seen the past couple days on the back of some of that weakness that we saw last week. So it seems like some of those fears around the Omicron variant starting to fizzle, if you will. Markets bouncing a bit. Dollar weakness, we're seeing that dollar around weekly lows. We're seeing oil bounce back up above $73 a barrel. So it's really been a wild week as we've seen everything, more or less, with the exception of the dollar bounce. Now, this morning we had some inflation data out. Inflation's still at a high. PCE came out right around 4.7%. That's the highest level since 1982. So a high level of inflation yet again, or at least a report of inflation. Jobless claims came out this morning on par with where they were last week. And that's about it. So probably going to quieten down as we get towards, or work our ways towards, the close of the market today. Again, markets are closed tomorrow. I want to wish every single one of you a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Enjoy the time with the family, and let's get ready to come back on Monday morning. All right, folks, have a good one.